morning, guys. What is going on, and welcome back to the channel. We are currently here just south of Kansas City, Missouri. We are pushing north right now in towards the Kansas City Metro for what is going to be a little bit of a blizzard chase. So we have multiple blizzard warnings, literally dozens, if not hundreds, of blizzard warnings from Kansas City all the way up to the Minnesota-Iowa border. So we're going to be covering that all day today. We were down, obviously, chasing that severe risk, which I'm going to throw some clips of what you might have thought we saw. You were probably wrong. Here is a couple of clips of exactly what I saw during today's severe chase. Literally nothing special at all about that. Wasn't a great chase. It was honestly just a really long drive for not a lot of return. So what we're doing is we're heading north. We're going to actually go and cover the severe threat in and around Kansas City, up into Des Moines, and then obviously back up towards Fort Dodge near my house. All right, so we are just about 25 miles south of Des Moines right now, heading into that area to obviously intercept what is going to be that more significant blizzard risk. Obviously, we're down here in Kansas City. Didn't see much down there, not a lot mounted out of it. We're already starting to see here significantly more blowing snow, as well as just higher winds, and obviously a higher snowfall rate as well. So as we move closer to the Des Moines Metro, where those like main bands, those main large bands are actually feeding into the storm, we should see a lot more snow totals and a lot more snowfall. But as for right now, we're just kind of focusing on getting up there, trying to be as efficient as possible, but also just making sure we're staying safe. That very reduced visibility here, so we're seeing every now and again we're getting those big, strong wind gusts with extremely reduced reduced visibility, and we're just chilling, making the best of it. And so we've resorted to wearing ski goggles during the chase, not because it makes any other sense aside from the fact that like they're literally designed to be able to give you better visibility while skiing through snow. So obviously this orange tint, it cuts back some of that sunlight, but it doesn't like make it any darker, because it's not a tint, it's just oh my gosh, we can't see. But like I was saying, it's not a tint, it's just an aid. Oh, we got someone in the ditch right here. Looks like that car has been here for a while. You just take a gander and look. It's empty. Wow, look at this, guys. Around to the front. That's our visibility right now. We can see obviously that car right in front of us, but we can't see far. Okay, so update, we are still south of Ogden, Iowa. We have been, holy smokes, what is that? We are still south of Ogden, Iowa here on 169. We're trying to push north to get up to Fort Dodge. Originally, we were supposed to be in Fort Dodge around 8:12 a.m. Like, if we were driving normal speeds, I knew it was obviously going to be a little skewed and a little later than that. But if we were driving normal highway speeds, or normal like speeds of this road, which is 55, we would have been in Fort Dodge at 8:12 a.m. And it is currently 7:52 a.m. and we've gone 3.5 miles. So it was 45 minutes ago that I looked at that timer, and it was right as we got on this road. And we've gone 4.5 miles. We still have, oh gosh, we still got 5.3 miles to go on this road. So, yeah, in that total time, we've now pushed our time back from 8:12 to 8:44. So we're going on 33 minutes of time added. And it's still expecting that we're going to be driving at 55 the rest of this route. Obviously, there's no chance in heck that that's happening. We're lucky to go over 20 mile an hour. So if you do that math, we're going to be about 15 minutes for the next 5 miles. And sometimes we're coming to complete dead stops because visibility is 0 out here. It's really hit or miss, back and forth, but we're just trying our best to play the game and stay on the road. We've seen lots of vehicles, obviously off in the ditches. This is also just not an area that I can stop and jump out and be like, hey, let me help you out. Just solely because it's super unsafe with the lack of visibility. There's nowhere to pull over. It is a 2-lane road with no shoulder. So if you pull off the shoulder, you're going to be in the ditch just like all these other vehicles that we're seeing. So right now we got a pickup truck and a 53-foot tractor. I don't know how well you guys can see it, but right there's a pickup truck, and right in front of that pickup truck there's a 53-foot tractor trailer. That semi-truck is leading the way. So if that semi-truck's our last line of defense. If that truck goes off the road, we'll know because it'll obviously stop and we'll be able to go around. But it's literally guiding us our way right now. And then I obviously have this pickup truck right in front of me. So guys, if you're wondering why I look so relaxed right now, it's because I'm stuck. My truck is not stuck. I could very much so turn around right now, head back the other way, which I might end up doing here shortly. It might actually be a better play for me to drop south near like Beaver and then go up near Patton. But I feel like 169 is just a better option. And go up near Gowrie. But yeah, my option's either that or head towards I-35. But I-35 was closed last time I checked. But what's going on, like you're seeing right now on the camera, is there's a snowplow stuck in the snow, in the ditch. And they're not letting us by. So we're going to end up burying our vehicles because some snowplow driver got stuck. And we're only 10 miles away from the turn. We're so close, but yet we can't go anywhere because Mr. Snowplow had to get stuck. It's very depressing, guys. I'm trying to get up 169 for several hours now, and there's just trucks like in the ditch everywhere. Every direction you look, there's another vehicle that's like in the ditch.
I'm sure. But, are you live streaming that?
Yeah, I'm live on my channel right now. So if anyone wants to know what 169 looks like, I have a live feed of it.
Garbage, probably.
Oh, it is awful. Like, there's a truck in front of me that's probably, I don't know, 20, 30 feet in front of me. And every probably 10 seconds, like, I completely lose sight of this guy. But I'm letting him lead the way because he seemed confident in it. And I was like, if he goes off in the ditch, I know not to go the way that he went.
Yeah, don't follow.
So, like, if I see the taillights go all crooked, I know that it's not the right way. Oh, F me sideways. What in the... Oh no, the plow truck is stuck. Oh, that's not a plow truck, that's a semi-truck. This is so compacted for people driving over this. So game plan right now, guys, is we are just trying to get a little bit closer to my place, and then I'm going to kill this stream, but I figured I'd bring you along with us, as we are going a little off-road, backwoods, storm chasing here right now. I can't see the road. It's a little redneck college try, a little sketch, you know. Oh, that's a big drift. Oh, I didn't like that one. Oh my goodness! Now my phone's water. Fudge balls. Yep. Well, I saw that one coming. I didn't see it coming actually, but sure enough it happens. There's a big snowdrift here. And here's what happens. Alright guys, we done biffed it. I didn't see this guy coming up. Here's what happens. We done plowed right through her, so we're gonna have to pull the traction boards down and throw the traction boards up underneath you probably. I mean, we can try to go forward, but I don't think it's the smartest idea. Let me make sure we're in four-wheel drive. I've quite literally, I don't think ever felt like a bigger idiot after driving my truck into this big snowbank. Like, it's huge. I don't know how I missed it. Man, like, it literally towers over the truck in every direction. Oh my gosh, it's so windy. We're supposed to have a Jeep rolling up behind us, so we got the camera looking backwards. We're gonna have this camera looking forwards. We're gonna get it pulled out. All right, so quick update. We are now on hour number 2 of sitting out here in the truck on this bridge. I don't know. I'm supposed to have someone coming from the location right next. There's like a diesel shop right next door to the warehouse, and I'm pretty sure they're coming. Arnt's Diesel. They're really good guys, and I was basically like, dude, I will pay you $50 for whatever you need. Like, tell me, just to come up here. Like, I have a tow strap and everything. I just need you to yank me out of this snowbank. If he doesn't end up showing up in the next half hour, I got another guy that's gonna come out and help me. He's got a 1500. This guy has like a 25 or 3500. They got a bigger truck, so the bigger truck should do a better job at being able to pull me out. But at this point, like anything will work. I just want to get out of this snow pile. I'm honestly shocked that nothing has come up the road in front of me here. Like, I haven't seen a semi truck or anything along those lines. Well, it looks like there's a vehicle in front of me, but it might just be trees moving around. I'm not really sure, but like I said, hour number 2 of the blizzard. We're now just chilling in the truck, and we're just waiting for someone to show up to give us a little yank and pull with the pickup. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do apologize for not shooting an outro for this video. I got back home after getting unstuck there and literally crashed and slept for over 16 hours straight. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button down below. Hit subscribe because I'd love to see you guys hang around the channel. Spring 2025 is going to be absolutely crazy. We're gearing up for an amazing chase season and even more videos just like this one. So if you guys want to see more content, Make sure you guys hit that like button. Let me know down below other types of content you want to see here on the channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Hope you guys enjoyed. Goodbye.